Lux Algo. It's been a while that I did a video on Lux Algo. So on today's video, I will show you all their features and I will also show you some of their latest feature and I will tell you how I use it on a regular basis. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having a wonderful day. Like I said, it's been a long time. The last time I did a video on Lux Algo, I was well overdue, and it's still a software that I really like to use, and I will show you exactly how I use it, and I will review also some of their latest feature that came out a couple weeks ago, which make it very interesting. So if you are new to this channel and you like making money in crypto, well, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you don't want to miss any of my future video. So let's head over my computer and I'll show you exactly what it is. All right, so let's start this. So Lux Algo, it's a very nice platform. What it is exactly is just an add-on tool that you install on top of your TradingView. So if you don't know, well, you probably know what is TradingView, but if you don't know what is TradingView, I'll put the link in the description so you can access it. But usually it's just this platform where you can see all the price action of different, in my case, cryptocurrency. So it's just an add-on that you install on top of it to make a better decision, to have a better entry point to take trade, or when it would be a good time to sell. So let me show you. So on their website, so it's just a tool that will give you a signal when it would be a good time to buy or sell when you're looking at a different market. They have a lot of different features which are very interesting, and one of them, which is a pretty new feature, it's you can see the institution activities also right on the chart. So that would sometime it's a good entry point when you want to take a trade. So that's one of their latest feature that I really like. So let me show you an example. First of all, to have access to Lux Algo, well, you can see the price are right here. So they have a different package. So all you have to do is click on the subscribe. You'll fill up all the information, and from there they will ask you your TradingView account. Is it yeah, right here. So your TradingView username. Why? Because in TradingView you will need to create at least a free account. You don't have to use the paid version, but it has to be registered. So all you have to do on TradingView, just create an account, and from there remember that login name, so you'll need to use it right here when you create your account with Lux Algo. So what it will do, it's Lux Algo will give you permission to access their signal through your account on TradingView. And when it's done, all you have to do is go right here where it says indicator. You will see a new menu coming up right here, showing up, which is invite only script. So when you click on this, you will have the three available indicator that Lux Algo have. So the one I'm always using, it's this one, Lux Algo Premium, and there's also the oscillator that I started to use a couple weeks ago, actually not that long ago, but that's the main indicator that I mostly use. So all you have to do, once you have access, they will send you an email. Usually it takes less than a day, could take like 6-8 hours depending, but they will send you an email once the account is created. So you'll be able to come here, see that menu right here, invite only script, and then you can click on this and it will show up. And there you go. Now you see exactly where it would be a good timing to enter or exit a position. So one of the nice features they have now that wasn't there before is the way you configure or the way you adjust all the signal. So once you activate your Lux Algo, you access the setting from here, or you can double click, like let's say right here, and it will open up the menu. So on the input, always there's one very important setting. It would be right here, the sensitivity and the autopilot confirmation signal setting. So if you're using just the sensitivity like here, you always have to look right here what they recommend to use. So they have a recommend confirmation sensitivity for Bitcoin right now at 33. So what I can do, I can just put it at 33 and my chart will adjust automatically to have better result. Or you can click the autopilot right here and it will adjust automatically depending on which chart you're using. So this is Bitcoin. So as you can see right now, if we look, we had a major big dump actually a couple days ago, and Lux Algo did detect when it started dumping right here. So if you would have your trading view open at that moment, you would see that there was a strong signal to sell over there. Also, you can also set up trading view to send you alert when there's certain thing happen. You can receive different kind of alert, including the one from Lux Algo. This is an example. So as you can see, there was a good position to enter right here and you could make a pretty good profit. Don't forget the signal. You cannot rely only on signal. Sometimes the signal will give you some false positive. It is possible. Nothing is perfect, but overall the signal are pretty accurate. But it's always good to have something else to use. Like personally, I don't only use Lux Algo. Let me put back my drawing. So this is right now all my drawing I'm using for a Bitcoin. So when I'm trading Bitcoin, as you can see right now, I have a different kind of drawing. I have support and resistance, so I know exactly what's going on with Bitcoin, so I can take a better decision. Lux Algo at this point, it's just confirming me yes, it's a good choice, or no, maybe I should wait a little bit. So as we can see right now on the 1 hour chart, I'm still on a sell signal, so it's not really a good time to enter any position. But if you want to make a small profit, then when you select on the 15-minute chart, well, you can do smaller trade. Personally, I mostly trade on the 30-minute and 1 hour chart. I prefer to do a swing trade and long-term trade. I don't do any scalping or anything like that, but this is my preference. So usually I'll pretty much trade on the 30 minutes. So let me show you some of the trade that I've been taking lately. So let's go on Dogecoin. So if some of you are currently looking to trade Dogecoin or are currently holding Dogecoin, well, I will show you what I'm currently doing with Dogecoin. So let's remove some of the drawing. Actually, I'll remove everything to show you, because what's particular with Dogecoin, it's been pumping like crazy for the last week. So when it's pumped so high like that, it gets very, very risky to enter a position when the price is so high, because Dogecoin in the past, we know it has the ability to really pump and dump. So that this time I'm really careful, but there is a lot of profit to be made. So this is Dogecoin. As we can see, it pumped really hard. Just to give you an idea, from let's say from here to the top, it pumped over 200%. So that's pretty high. So when the price go high, we have to be careful that we don't invest up here and then it start crashing. So I use Lux Algo for this. So first of all, I always have my drawing, and on top of it, I'm using Lux Algo. So let's start with Lux Algo only. So what I did when the price started pumping, actually I didn't take part of this part. I did saw it, but it was pumping so quickly, so fast, I was afraid to enter a position. So I just wait for a correction. So as we can see, there was a little bit drawback from here, from this portion, and then it started to go back. So what I did, I enter a position. I soon the price start to move higher than the previous high, and it happened that Lux Algo suggests me a buy signal right here, but in my case I wait like around here, and I let it go until it came back around this price right here. So I even sold before Lux Algo told me the sell signal, but it was pretty close right here. So I did make a 34% increase, but I took that trade on the 10x leverage. So for me, that was over 300% right here on that trade. So that was very good. And then after that, when you can see that it start consolidating, it's more easier to put all your indicator and drawing. So at this part, I didn't take any trade. I haven't done anything. And even from here, it was going sideways. And after a while, I can see that the price was on a regular trend. So as you can see, I put my blue line right here and I have all my support and resistance. So I could see that the price was going up to here and then going back, going up here and then going back, going up here. So I knew this line was a very strong resistance. So I just wait. So even though that Lux Algo gave me a buy signal over here, I wait a little bit until the price move to this part right here. Actually, yeah, I enter my position right here. It did came back, but I knew this was also a very strong support. So it did went back up here and then it started moving up. And I did sold my position when it touched right here. So actually was very close to Lux Algo signal. I sold right here. So in my case, my profit from this line right here up to here, it was 28%. And that one also I took it on a 10x leverage. So that was 287% profit. So at this point, I'm still waiting to enter another trade. So as we can see, the price went to touch again my support blue line right here, and now it's going back up. There's a big resistance right here, as you can see. The higher price that it went to was right here. So this line is very important. It went up here, but then it went back right away, and now it's consolidating. It's telling me a sell signal, but it's purple. So it means that even Lux Algo, it's not quite sure right now. It's not a strong signal. It's just going sideways, and we're just waiting to get a good confirmation. Because at this point, I could probably make a profit. Let's say I wait up to here. So it might go up to here. So that would be a 10%. Let's say on a 10x leverage, that would be 100% profit. Or I could just go where it went the last time right here, which is about 5% if I want to don't want to take any risk. So 5% at 10x, it's still 50% profit, which would be very interesting. So, and by the way, if you do like this video, please would really appreciate a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, well, make sure you're subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my future video. So it's very easy to understand. It's not complicated at all. It's a lot more simpler than what it used to be. Like this part here, it has a lot of information, a lot of different feature. I'm still learning from it every day, because this part right here, it's pretty new. They just came out with that a couple weeks ago. If you have any comment, just leave them below. I hope this information was clear enough and you did learn something new. And I hope you have a wonderful day. And I'll see you very soon on the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.